Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix internal JSON-RPC error on MetaMask. To fix the internal JSON-RPC error while interacting with other networks on MetaMask, you can follow the steps. If you face this error while attempting to interact with other networks, consider these fixes. Internal JSON RPC error MetaMask to ensure that network you are trying to connect has been added correctly in MetaMask. Refer proper guide on adding the networks for detailed instructions and use Ledger live internal JSON RPC network error MetaMask, and by enabling the lender live support and establishing the bridge between the Ledger live and MetaMask, you can create a direct connection to your Ledger hardware wallet, which can help ensure secure and reliable instructions or interactions with various networks. And to enable Ledger live support and resolve the internal JSON RPC error on MetaMask, follow the steps. Download the and install the MetaMask extension for your preferred browser, e.g. Google Chrome, and install the Ledger Live on computer by downloading it from the official Ledger website and follow the installation instructions. Click on MetaMask icon if your web browser to open the MetaMask extension in the MetaMask interface. Click on the circle profile icon located in the top right corner from the drop down menu. Select settings to access the MetaMask settings and seek MetaMask support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, it is recommended to reach out to MetaMask support for further assistance. Here is the link to contact the MetaMask support link, and thanks for watching us.